Hi, it's Sandy. In this video, we're going to do a tap along, which means I'm going to do some EFT and you can do it along with me. So we're going to do some tapping around overwhelm. As I mentioned in one of my other videos, that I work with clients that tend to procrastinate, and sometimes procrastinate because they get a little perfectionistic about it. They're afraid they're not going to do it good enough, and they tend to get into overwhelm. So in this tap along video, we're going to tap on overwhelm. So again, as we start EFT, we always want to scale what we're doing. So in terms of feeling overwhelmed, think about how you're feeling right now in terms of feeling overwhelmed about something that you might be wanting to start, but there's just so many pieces, you don't even know where to start. Or it could be just something else that's happening in your life that you're just feeling really overwhelmed about. So on a scale of 0 to 10, I want you to scale. Find a number for how overwhelmed you feel right now. 0 is, I don't feel overwhelmed, I'm good, I'm calm, I'm relaxed. 10 is, I'm so overwhelmed, I can barely even focus on you right now. Okay, so that's 10. So think about your number. Where are you? Okay, write a number. Write it down somewhere. Just a little scratch piece of paper is fine, just so that you know what your number is. Okay, ready? So we're going to start on the side of the hand. Remember, it's sometimes called the karate chop. So we're going to start here. Just repeat after me. Even though I feel so overwhelmed, I deeply and completely accept how I feel. Even though I'm feeling so overwhelmed, I deeply and completely accept how I feel. Even though I'm feeling so overwhelmed right now, I deeply and completely accept how I feel. I'm going to go to the top of the head. All this overwhelm. Eyebrow point. Feeling overwhelmed. Side of the eye. Feeling overwhelmed. Think about what you're feeling overwhelmed about. Under the eye. I'm so overwhelmed. Nose crease. There's so much to do, so much to think about. I don't even know where to start. It's overwhelming. Chin point. Feeling so overwhelmed about all of this. I don't even know where to begin. Collarbone point, right below your collarbone. Feeling so overwhelmed. Maybe I can't even do this. It's just too much. And then under the arm, where the bra band would be for women, about 4 to 4 inches under your armpit, I'm feeling so overwhelmed. Okay, now that is considered one round in EFT. So take a nice deep breath, let it out. You do the breathing. You might even want to do one more. We're wanting that energy to flow. So now rate it on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 is, I'm not overwhelmed anymore. It's gone. Or I can't even find a number. 10 is, no, I'm still super overwhelmed. Okay, find a number. It came down a little bit from where it was before. Write that number down. Notice what it was before and what it is now. Okay. So now we're going to go back. So let's say it was 10 when we started, and now it's a 6. So use your numbers. Okay, we're going to go back here. We're going to address it again. Okay, ready? Here we go. Even though I'm still feeling some overwhelm, I deeply and completely accept how I feel. Even though I'm still feeling overwhelmed, it's a little bit better. It's okay. I'm okay. And it'll be okay. Notice I changed it on you a little bit. That's okay. It can be different phrases. Even though I'm still feeling some overwhelm, it's okay. I'm okay. And it'll be okay. Head. Still feeling some overwhelm. There's so many pieces to this. I don't even know where to start. Can I do it? Feeling overwhelmed still. Where could I begin? Maybe I could just start with one thing. Maybe I'm still feeling some overwhelm. What if I just chose one thing? What would that be? Notice what comes up in your head. Under the eye. Still feeling so overwhelmed. What could I do that would be simple right now. Starting to let some of this overwhelm go. Maybe I can do this if I don't look at everything and just look at one thing. Letting go of the overwhelm. I'm allowing my mind and my body to relax about this, knowing that all I have to do is one thing at a time. Overwhelm. Releasing the feeling of overwhelm. What is this one thing that I can do right now? For maybe just 5 minutes. What could I do in 5 to 10 minutes that would get me started and out of overwhelm? Maybe it's just sitting and doing nothing for 5 minutes and breathing. I could do that. That wouldn't feel so overwhelming. Choosing to let go of this overwhelm and feel peace now. Breath. Let go. Okay, now check in on your number. Where are you now? 0, not at all, not overwhelmed at all. 10, I'm still so overwhelmed. Where are you? Let's say, for example, that you came down to a 4. It's feeling a lot better. Let's add one more round to it. Okay, ready? Here we go. Even though I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, but it's so much better. It's okay. I'm okay. It is going to be okay. Even though I'm still feeling a little overwhelmed, it's okay. I'm okay. And it's going to be okay. Even though I'm still feeling a little overwhelmed, but I'm feeling so much better. Okay. I'm okay. And it will be okay. Good. Letting go of this overwhelm. I don't need it. I'm choosing to let go of the overwhelm and just choose one small thing to do right now. That's all I need to do. Maybe I'm letting go of this overwhelm and choosing just one thing to start with. I can do this. Maybe I'm letting go of the overwhelm and choosing peace now. Letting go of overwhelm, I choose peace instead. Letting go of the overwhelm, I feel peaceful and calm. I know that I can do this one step at a time. I don't need to look at everything. I only need to look at the next thing. Letting go of the overwhelm, feeling at peace now. Breath, release it. Check in. Where are you now on your 0 to 10? 0 or 1? I don't even know if I can find it anymore. I'm feeling pretty calm and relaxed. My body feels relaxed. Oh, my neck's not so stiff anymore. Or is it higher than that? What is your number? If you need to do another round, you can always stop the video, start it over again, and go through the process again. I hope that was helpful for you in terms of reducing some of the overwhelm you're feeling in your life. You can do this. Take it one step at a time, and reach out to me if you want to find out about more how to tap with me in person, in one-on-one session. Go to my website. You can see the link below or the link on the side of my banner, and let's talk. Let's start getting you where you want to be in your life moving forward with ease and grace. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.